Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're someone who really wants to grow in HR field, not with just theory, but with the real world knowledge, this video especially for you. Today I am going to share you some best books every HR professional should read, and I will start with one that I really love. That is really close to my heart too. My own book, Admin in HR, the book I wish I had. And I wrote this book because I started as an HR journey. I often wish for a guide that explain things in a simple, practical way, from recruitment to onboarding to compliance to documentation and employee engagement. I'm speaking little fast because I know your time is precious. Okay, so start designing for a fresher, working professional, even entrepreneurs who wants to learn how real HR and system works, not just within a written in textbooks. Oh, so if you are serious about building in your HR career, this will this book will help you avoid common mistakes and grow faster. It's available on Amazon. Link in the description below. Sorry. Sorry. Now, apart from my book, here are some other must titles that will help you level up your HR and communication skill, because skill is must required in every field, from sales to marketing to HR to admin, or different thing. First book recommendation. Here is my book. You can see. Here is me. Link in description. You can go check. Next book is how to win friend and influence people. This book is a gem. How to Win Friends and Influence People by Dave Carnegie. This timeline book teaches the part of dealing, how to deal a person as an HR professional, because in HR you have to deal with persons for the work, for everything. So you must read this book. This timeless book teaches the art of dealing with people as HR professional. We constantly interact, influence, and motivate others. This book help you master that skill beautifully. My next book and recommendation book is Never Split the Difference. My personal favorite HR. In this book, Chris Voss explained about negotiation. He is an FBI negotiator, successful FBI negotiator. HR, according to this book, or according to my experience after reading this book, I can say that HR involves negotiation every single day, whether it's about salary conflict or employee issue. This book by a former FBI negotiator will completely change how you handle conversation with empathy and confidence and strategy. Okay, I also give these two books description in my links in my description. You can go check out. There is a bonus point in the last two. My third favorite book is Talk Like Ted by Carmine Gallo. Being an HR also means being a strong communicator. These books teach how to present your idea with clarity, emotion, and storytelling. Perfect for meetings, training, or policy presentation. So, these are my top recommendations for every HR professional, starting with my personal favorite, Admin and HR, the book I wish I had. If you read any of these books, comment below and tell me which one made the big impact on you. And if you are serious about growing in HR, grab your copy from Amazon. The link is right there in the description. Don't forget to like the video, share it with your HR friends, and subscribe for more HR learning content. See you in the next video. Also, there is a giveaway of all 3 copies along with my favorite my written copy. All 4 copies are given away by me to those who comment and give me a mail on my mail ID which book you like to read. Here is my mail ID. mishra@hotmail.com. You just have to mail me. Take care. First 4 people will get this book. 4 books. Okay. With these all words, thank you. Have a nice day.